Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a cursor effect, not an effect, just a cursor to your videos. So what I actually do is I already have it on a screen recording software, but if you don't have it, this is another way to do it in CapCut. So I'm just going to go and find stickers, and here I am going to find this sort of power button and click on it, and it has this cursor. Where did it go? I'm just going to find like a cursor one. Oh, it's in the arrow one. Sorry, you have to find it in the arrow one. And as you can see, you have these cursors that you can choose from. I'm just going to choose this one, and also I'm going to press the check mark button, and I'm just going to use both of my fingers to pinch it and make it a little bit smaller. And oops, sorry. And then it's a little tricky because, okay, I'm not going to make it that small. I'm just going to put it like in the bottom. And then, for instance, I want to click on an app. So I'm just going to go to the exact, sorry, the exact moment where I clicked on the app over here. Just going to split it, and I'm going to make the length of the mouse longer, like the picture of it. And I'm going to add a keyframe over here and a keyframe at the end where I clicked on it. And where I clicked on it, I'm going to move the cursor on the app itself, like on top of it. So it shows that like I'm clicking on it's going to take a long time. So I'm just going to make the video shorter, and I'm going to add a keyframe here, and I'm going to place the cursor somewhere else. So it looks like I'm clicking on the app, as you can see right here. And honestly, that is basically it. You can, I think, add more animation to the sticker. Like, there's a lot to choose from. Just like choose which one you want, but it'll, I think, add to the sticker. I don't really like adding the animation, but honestly, that is basically how you can add a sort of mouse to your video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!